Welcome to Old Town Alexandria.
We're Diana and Daniel, and today we'll be exploring Old Town Alexandria, a nationally designated historic district here in Northern Virginia, across the river from Washington, D.C.
So join us along to see why Old Town Alexandria is one of the top 5 best small towns in the United States. Well, let's go!
There's light in every room. Now that you're looking up, I can see it in your eyes that lately it's been tough. But now the sun is rising, and we're new people. Let's be new people.
Alright, we just made a stop here at the Visitor Center, which is on King Street, on your way down to the waterfront. And they have like maps of the area, a little self-guided walking tour as well, so it's very convenient to stop by here. They also have a little bulletin board just at the entrance with like events and stuff that's happening at the moment here.
Yeah, great place
It's
to
a really
stop.
great place to stop.
Don't let me down. Don't let me down. Don't let me down. I'm aiming for the sky. Everyone.
We're here at Carlisle House, who was built by John Carlisle, a British merchant who was one of the original founders of Alexandria. During the French and Indian War, the house served as the headquarters for Major General Braddock and his young assistant, George Washington. The Carlisle House is listed on the National Register of Historic Places and is part of the Carlisle House Historic Park, including the 18th century mansion and its gardens.
Old Town Alexandria is the perfect day trip when you visit Washington, D.C. It's just about 20 minutes with a car, or about 40 minutes, something like that.
Yeah,
with the subway, you would just take the yellow line in direction Huntington and it takes you right there. It's awesome.
easy.
So easy.
This is so pretty. I'm in love with the houses here. The colors and the architecture is so cute, and there's cherry blossoms everywhere. We're here in April, so perfect time to see the cherry blossoms. It's so pretty. I'm just taking a million photos.
Now that you're looking up, I can see it in your eyes that lately it's been tough.
So one must stop here in Old Town Alexandria is the Spite House. It is America's skinniest historic house, and it's only 7 feet wide.
There is only one of you, only one of me. There's a million of those who won't let us be. But they're not gonna see me bleed, 'cause baby, I got you.
We've been here for a couple hours walking around, and we have worked up an appetite. So we're on our way towards the waterfront to find a restaurant because I am hungry.
my
There's
God.
so much to see. It's cute and little, but oh my gosh, every side street has so many amazing, cute buildings, and make sure you have enough time. I would definitely spend an entire day here.
Life is the dancing underneath the disco lights. They can try, but they can never take me down. Ooh, 'cause I'm not afraid, I'm not afraid, I'm not afraid to love.
Alright, we just stopped here at O'Connell's pub. It's just on King Street in the little pedestrian area. It is really, really nice here. Super lively. There's patios out there. People are walking around. It's just great.
Yeah, and it's a beautiful sunny day, perfect for a beer. So
All right.
excited. Cheers.
Cheers.
So we're really a sucker for an Irish pub because we actually met in Ireland. So whenever we find a good one when we're traveling, we always like to try to make a stop and check it out.
It's a throwback, right?
Yeah, it's very nostalgic for us.
So excited for food. Yeah.
Who it's for.
Alright, food has arrived. Look at this. That went a little bit healthier than me. She got like a salad with like sweet potatoes or something like that, right?
It has like crispy chicken.
Yeah.
Like,
Oh well, I went with like some sort of like a burger that's basically dunked in gravy and mashed potatoes. Yeah, not so healthy, but we are walking around a little bit.
Yeah, you're gonna need a coffee in the afternoon after eating that.
For sure. But well, I'm so hungry. Let's dig in there.
They always bring all the lonely, but with you here, nothing can scare me. I'm not afraid, I'm not afraid, I'm not afraid to love, not afraid to love you.
I can't believe I'm on the waterfront wearing a dress.
I know, it's amazing.
Back in Toronto, if I was at the waterfront right now, I would be freezing. The weather here is absolutely amazing. Can't believe it's April and I'm wearing a dress. Still trying to comprehend that. Like, it is awesome. It is summer weather here and I'm hoping we can bring it back to Toronto.
Oh my god, yeah, I hope so too.
The waterfront here is so beautiful. There's lots of great patios, people walking around, enjoying the weather. An awesome spot to check out if you're in Old Town Alexandria.
Afraid, I'm not afraid, I'm not afraid to love, not afraid to love you. I'm not afraid, I'm not afraid, I'm not afraid to love, not afraid to love you. They always bring all the lonely, but with you here now.
Alright guys, we made it to Torpedo Factory, which is an art gallery that actually was established in 1974 and stretches over 3 floors where they exhibit individual artists' works. It's really cool here.
Let's check out some art and then maybe go back to King Street, get a coffee.
Oh yeah, I need a coffee so
and
badly.
some shopping.
Yeah, for sure. Alright, let's do that.
The Torpedo Factory Art Center was the former U.S. Naval Torpedo Station, a naval munitions factory before it was converted into an art center. It is now home to the nation's largest number of publicly accessible artist studios under one roof. There are more than 165 artists that work, exhibit, and sell their art here.
Guys, what a beautiful day here in Old Town Alexandria. It was amazing. I can really see how it is one of the top 5 best small towns in the US. It is great here.
It's so cute. I absolutely loved it. The architecture here is adorable. It's somewhere you can explore in one afternoon, but if you do have time, we recommend checking it out for the entire day because the side streets are adorable. Try to explore as much as possible. Every corner is so cute. If you like this video, please comment, like, and don't forget to subscribe to check out our future videos. Well, hope you enjoyed our time with us, and we can't wait to see you in the next video. Bye!
See you next time, bye!